At the IDEF 2025 Defense Expo in Istanbul, Sudan's Military Industry Corporation, MIC, showcased a new addition to the modern battlefield, the Safaroog, a one-way attack drone designed for precision strikes. This marks Sudan's first major leap into the realm of loitering munitions, a weapon class that has reshaped combat strategies worldwide. More than a simple product reveal, the Safaroog's debut reflects Sudan's growing ambitions to establish itself as a relevant player in advanced drone warfare and international arms markets. The Safaroog is a fixed-wing, gasoline-powered kamikaze UAV driven by a 342 cubic centimeters dual-blade engine. Measuring 2.88 meters in length with a wingspan of 3.38 meters, it can carry warheads up to 40 kilograms, with lighter configurations available for specific missions. The drone cruises at 160 kilometers per hour and can push to 200 kilometers per hour when needed. It operates at altitudes up to 15,000 feet and can stay airborne for over 4 hours, covering distances of 300 to 600 kilometers depending on loadout and fuel configuration. Equipped with the SNAP 5 AI-assisted autopilot and GNSS/INS navigation, the system offers improved resistance to electronic warfare, ensuring reliability even in jammed environments. Launch options include catapult or pneumatic systems, and its steep final dive angle, exceeding 60 degrees, enables top-down strikes on armored targets or fortified positions. The introduction of Safaroog signals a turning point for Sudan's defense sector, which has traditionally focused on small arms and basic military hardware. Inspired by lessons from recent drone-heavy conflicts in Libya, Ethiopia, Ukraine, and the Caucasus, Sudan's engineers appear to have drawn from proven loitering munition designs while adding enhancements in payload flexibility and endurance. The Safaroog's modular approach and high-angle attack capability place it in the same class as Iran's Shahid 136 and Turkey's Karga drones, yet with improved adaptability to varied mission profiles. This unveiling is as much a geopolitical statement as it is a technological milestone. By entering the loitering munitions market, Sudan positions itself as an emerging drone power capable of supplying affordable strike solutions to nations and groups outside Western defense networks. Such weapons have repeatedly proven decisive in asymmetric warfare, from Ukraine's frontlines to the Middle East's contested skies, allowing low-cost precision strikes where traditional air power is risky or unavailable. The Safaroog is more than just another drone, it's Sudan's declaration that it intends to play a larger role in next-generation warfare. With its combination of long-range precision, electronic warfare resilience, and mission flexibility, the system signals a shift in Sudan's military doctrine toward autonomous, expendable aerial strike capabilities, potentially reshaping its role on both regional and global defense stages.